Hi! Last week we talked about data types. We talked about the difference between float and int. And to illustrate that, we had a program with cups of flour equals 3.75, and then we halved that amount to see what half of 3.75 is. So what if we wanted to make a program that you could give to someone who wasn't a programmer? They could put in an amount of flour, and then that program would have it for them. That's what we're going to do this week. So on the left, I have last week's code, and on the right, I have this week's code. Below the gray line, it's the same. But above the gray line, last week, we, the programmer, hard-coded in the value of 3.75 as the amount of flour. This week, we leave it as a default value of 0.0, and then we, right here, ask the user for the amount of flour. And we use what's called a cin statement. So just like cout means console output, cin means console input. So here is the user with their console. Whatever they type into the console, which is the monitor and the keyboard, goes into our box, which we labeled cups of flour. So whatever is in the console input goes through these arrows into cups of flour. The arrows for cout and the arrows for cin go in opposite directions. Remember that. To reiterate how to do console input, we're going to make a variable. It could be an int if you wanted to do something that needed an int, and make it equal to a default value, 0. Then do cout, put your question that you want to prompt the user with, put a cin with angle brackets, and the variable that you want the data from the user to go into. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.